Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Today I have my new Tonic craft kit for the month of September. So it mails out at the beginning of September. So if you want to get the next one, you need to get it now because in October, beginning of October, it ships out. So this is craft kit number 13. And I'll quickly show you what's inside. You've probably seen other unboxings, but you get lots of good stuff. I took out the packaging so that it'd be a little bit easier to see. So you get lots of good quality stuff, and they always give you a big list of what's in here, and you always get a surprise gift. This month they told us what our surprise gift was, and it was these beautiful markers, glitter markers in Silver Mist, Blue Bliss. Look at that color, it's gorgeous, and Imperial Blue. Those are the three. Midnight Shadows is the group that they are called. So Craft Perfect 24 sheets December Skies, and this, I have to tell you, is luxury embossed card. It is so pretty. It's almost like wallpaper. It's just absolutely stunning. So you, let's see, 6 sheets of each, and it's 85 pounds. So you get that, you get this beautiful, this is my favorite, it's lovely, it's like a linen silver. And then you get this lovely little sort of impressed, and then the swirly bit, which will make fun water. Of that, so this time you get this blue textured cardstock. You get this like sort of gunmetal handmade paper. It's very supple. You can see there. The pearlescent cardstock, some glimmer paste in this beautiful shiny, look at that, iridescent color there. This is Moonstone, aptly named. A full-size bottle of this Nuva Mica Mist, and so it's got a shimmer to it. This is in Nebula Blue, so it's all coordinated for you, which is really nice. Glitter. Silver tinsel, pure sheen glitter, and you get a nice big bottle of that. And then you get the 2 little minis, they're so cute, of Nuvo crystal drops and glitter drops. And so one is in dazzling blue glitter drops, and the crystal drops are in liquid mercury. Stamps and dies, I put my sticker on the back and I label what it is, and I put how many stamps and I put how many dies I got, just so I can kind of keep it organized. So you get these very versatile stamps, and then it makes these box dies. If I can get it out, I've got it stuck. Here's the slide-in gift card, and it has so many pieces. Like, this is the basic shape, and then you can mix and match, and of course you can use these on other projects as well. And if I can manage to, there we go. This, let me show you the other side here, is the box that you make. That makes the slide-in mechanism, but you could cut that off if you just wanted a regular box. And then these great sentiments, birthday wishes, and Merry Christmas. And so they're great. These are the foam strips, so don't look at that. But so it's a great set of dies and stamps. All right, we're going to go ahead and create something. We're working with Tonic Craft Kit number 13, and I have, first of all, I wanted to show you one card that I've made already, just to show you can do different things with the kit than the suggestions, although you can do the suggestions as well. This is a Christmas card on some craft-like cardstock. So just a blank in the middle there, and I used the one of these dies, the other pattern, the chevron pattern, and I just cut it twice over to the right, so I left a band of white there and there. And in gold embossing ink and powder, I used snowflake sets, actually from craft kit number 11, and this is a Stampin' Up! Merry Christmas. And then I backed it with some of the Tonic handmade red paper, and then on the red cardstock. So it's got layers there. This is a poinsettia that I had made and just had at the ready in my stash, and it just kind of fit on there perfectly. It's kind of the inspiration actually for this card. So that hopefully gives you another idea. The card we're going to make today is a 6x6 card. I'm going to use some of the cardstocks in the kit. This pearlescent, this is my favorite right here. It's almost like material. I cut out of this blue pearlescent. I just have in my stash a 6x6 or slightly under 6x6 stitched frame. And then another die from my stash is this. I'm going to cut it out of the Tonic paper here. And then I have some white heavy cardstock that is 6x12, and we're going to fold that in half for our base. And yeah, and then we'll get going. Out of a Spellbinders die, the silver flowers, and then also the rest, the centerpiece, I cut out these blue pieces, so I'm trying to really make use of the paper. And then we're going to make a flower there. And from the kit number 12, I've got Lots of Love, and this actually you stamp it out, and then it has a frame that goes around it. So I'm going to go ahead and get some black ink. Sometimes you just gotta be a little bit flexible. It doesn't always happen like in your head, and that's okay. So I'm just gonna kind of give myself some room here to die cut around there, just with a simple white, since we have our white background here. Pull that off, and I'm going to go ahead and die cut around there, and then we'll be ready to start assembling. So we've got our Lots of Love cut out, which is nice. If you hate fussy cutting, you can go ahead and use that, and that'll work out for you. So we're going to go ahead and start working on things here. So I'm going to use the bottom silver, and then the next size I'm going to use the blue. The next size up for that I'm going to use the silver, and then the little one I'm going to use the blue. And then you can either glue these together, or you can attach them with a brad, which this kit is great. It comes with some really great products, glitter markers and all sorts of things. And I like to mix and match. It's nice to also stick within the kit, but I think making use of our other kits and our other dies is also a smart choice. We want to use our stash, right? Alright, so once you get that going, it's a nice thick paper, and so you could even shape these with a flowering tool if you have that. Here, because I want a little bit of lift. Also cut out the die cut that you're using in some foam, and then glue that if you don't have foam tape. I'm going to use this way instead of point it up. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there and center that. We're going to need to, let's see, figure out where we want to put our flower. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and glue our flower right in the middle of that. I think that'll add dimension. I'm going to go ahead and use this art glitter glue, and I'm going to put it right like that. And then, so that's going to go there. I'm going to pop this up on foam while this is drying. Got the new Tim Holtz mat here, so if any of you guys are interested in that, it's really nice. I'm really glad I invested in that because a nice big space, and I think it'll help me with I do so much media, acrylic, and watercolor that I need a non-porous surface, and so it's nice to just be able to wipe that away. So I'm still getting used to it. Alright, so let's think about where we want our thing to be here. Lots of glue on there. You could even use fabric glue, which I have, so I don't know why I'm not using that, but our 12 by 6, remember, and just score it at 6. And this is white, so we don't need to really line it, but if you wanted to decorate in there, you certainly could do that. and put that like this. Go ahead and put this one, is molten mercury, I think, liquid mercury. So let's go ahead and test out. Yeah, that'd be pretty. You always want to do it on a piece of paper first because obvious reasons. Alright, and then we just want to think about where we need some inner workings there. I like to do things in threes, and I also like to tap the bottom of that so the little Hershey Kiss top kind of goes down. That's really pretty color with this. So I think I'm going to do 2 colors of that, and I'm just making them smaller and bigger. Okay, has glitter in there again, and then we're going to intersperse the blue glitter with the other one here. And then that will take like about 24 hours to dry, so don't go sticking your hand in it like I would. And it'll form, it'll get hard on the outside, but it still might need to set on the inside. And there you have it. There is a card with the beautiful Tonic papers, and bring my other card back in here. So yes, you can use the kit all in one and make cards and projects just from what's inside your kit, which is nice, other than glue and stamps, you know, or ink, I should say. But why not mix it up with your stash and go ahead and use the things that you have and make some beautiful cards for people. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope that was helpful and inspired you to get creating. Thanks. Have a great day.